this is another one of those questions where at first glance you might be thinking, well, I could just do it by hand, and we'll look at that. But Desmos is another pretty easy approach. So we can go to the gear icon if there's anything already in there from a previous question, click delete all, and then we'll type this in exactly as we see it, which is why getting comfortable with your keyboard is important. So this actually solved it for us, and we get the answer is x equals, and you could click right here, and you can see the x value is 4. In other words, they're showing this vertical line x equals 4, and we could just type that in and be done. Very quick and easy. The answer is 4, move on. But let's show how you would do it algebraically. So the triple T document still comes into play here. Obviously, it's not multiple choice, so it's not like we could look at the answer options. But the main thing is do something, because you know more than you think you do. And the interesting thing is, it says you know more than you think you do in parentheses. And when you see parentheses and a constant of some sort, some number in front, what do we know to do? Well, we distribute that value. So if we go ahead and distribute, we get 6x plus 2. And then here, this is really like a -1, so let's distribute that as well. That essentially flips the signs of everything to the right of the parentheses. So let's flip this, and then flip every sign to the right of the parentheses. So in other words, we now have -9 and positive 2x. And then we'll go ahead and combine like terms. So we get 8x minus 7 is equal to 25. We will get x's on one side, which they already are, and then the constants to the right side by just adding the 7 over. And we get 8x equals 32. Divide both sides by 8, and again, we get the answer is 4.